Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams desktop application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Microsoft Teams desktop client and then just connect with your Teams or Outlook account, and then you will need just to follow the simple steps. So basically, after you open your application, you will need just to go to your profile picture or your profile settings, and to do so we will need to go to our profile picture here, and then we are going to click on it. And basically here you will be able to manage your account. So either you have two ways to change your profile picture: either just to click on this profile picture after you click it before here, and it will pop up this little window or little menu, and click on it, and then you will be able to upload a picture from your desktop and search for a picture, and just click save, and you will have your profile picture that will be updated. Another way is just to go to manage accounts, and then you will be able to do it the same way as we did, and it will give you the ability to upload a picture. You search for a picture from your desktop, you click on it, you click save, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams desktop application. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.